thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, northern Randolph County, southeastern Guilford County until 6 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elon College, or over Burlington, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located over Forest Oaks, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Asheboro, Graham, Randleman, Mebane, Elon College, McLeonsville, Gibsonville, Pleasant Garden, and Liberty. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Guilford, and Randolph. Here is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service.
Now it's sunny outside. No, I think the sun's faded away. Yeah, I saw a little bit of sun, if you don't know.
Strong thunderstorms along the line extending from McLeonsville to near